Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get and how to cook the Qiaoguo recipe in Heartopia. So in this Qixi Fair event, the new event in Heartopia, there is a new recipe that you can buy it at the exchange store. This one, just go to exchange store and then in here you can see the food recipe, the Qiaoguo. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, and in here, if I'm not mistaken, you can buy it with 10 orchids. So make sure you have enough orchids on here. You can get the orchids by play on this DC Fair board game. And then after you get the enough orchids, just buy this recipe. And then after that, just go to your stove because the recipe will be added to your stove automatically. Just go to your stove and then next just use Qiaoguo on here. And then in here to cook it, you need to wheat that you can get it from the gardening hobby, and then egg and cooking oil that you can get it from NPC Masimo. You can buy it from here. So in here, make sure you complete all the ingredients, and after that, just simply tap start cooking like this, and then just cook the food, the chow guo, and then just like that, you will successfully cook this Qiaoguo in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.